Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Apple Music Replay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now there's two ways to go ahead and do this, but before we continue, you first want to make sure that you have updated to the latest version of iOS. To do this, what you need to do is open up the settings on your device, and then come down to the General section, and then give that a press. From here, you're going to see an option for Software Update. So you want to press onto this. You want to make sure you've got at least iOS 18.0 or above. And once you've updated your iOS, what you can do is come out and be on your home screen. Then what you want to do is open up your Apple Music application. Now when you do this and press onto home, you should see Replay at the top. If it's not showing, it could be down towards the bottom. So if you scroll all the way down towards the bottom, you're going to see a replay option here too. But if you're still not seeing it, what you can also do is open up a new internet browser and come across to replay.music.apple.com. Now when you come across to here, it's going to ask you to log in with your Apple ID account. So make sure to log in with the same account that is linked to your Apple Music account. And once you've done that, you can once again use your replay. You just press jump in here, and it's going to go ahead and start your Apple Music Replay. So of course you would just sign in, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and start viewing your Apple Music Replay. So that's basically how you can get Apple Music Replay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.